Bürgerliches Brauhaus Altbairisch Hell, this Hell's Lager. This beer comes in at a 4.9% ABV, a unavailable IBU. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.28. The first brew with this new recipe was available for the first time in April of 2018. This beer is aimed at non-beer drinkers too, because it has less hops and thus less bitterness units. The beer appears golden yellow in the glass. The aroma is hoppy. The first sip is mild and spicy. Although it remains quite intense in the flavor, finish is reminiscent of hay and straw. Alright, so let's try this beer. You know what? It's actually such a nice night outside. Let's head out back. That's better. Well, let's crack open this beer. Ooh, look at that. That is gold. Now that is pretty by the fire. And actually, I can see the fire right through it. It is actually a really nice, pleasant looking color. Very clear looking light comes through very easily. Looks very golden. Light, very easy drinking, smooth, light malt flavor, no hops, and I mean no hops. Low carbonation, actually. It's tasting pretty flat, which kind of gives it an old taste, like it's been sitting on the shelf for a long time. Description kind of gave a hay or straw characteristic to it. If that's what they mean, possibly, I don't know. I don't really chew on hay or straw, so it doesn't sound appealing to me. A decent drinkable beer. Little offense to it. Oh, I really love the way the fire hits the glass. Aroma, almost nothing there, but I am outside and it is a little chilly, so it is kind of blocking my senses. You know, actually I get a little hint of a kind of a butterscotchy, and it's very hint, but that's only if I really dissected that beer. There is just a tiny hair of something off-putting about it, and I don't know if that's what they classify as the spices that are in here, or the spiciness. I'm sure it's the yeast, or it could be the fact that it kind of tastes old, and it could be old. I doubt there's a canning date on this thing. Oh look, hang on. Expires 5/21. Yeah, beer usually doesn't last that long. Maybe Budweiser does. But I don't know beer that lasts 2 years in the can. But really, it's not bad. I mean, I can see my hand through the glass, so it's very appealing looking. It's very beautiful. Would be perfectly acceptable at a German beer garden or a German restaurant with some German food. Would it be mind-blowing? Would it be, I'm gonna order a second glass of this? No. This would be, hey, I ordered a pint of this. I ordered 12 ounces of this with my dinner. I'm gonna order something else because this just kind of worked with my meal. That's what this beer is. It's good. I'm not gonna complain about having it, but I won't order it again. Well, I'm John, and you guys have yourselves a good day. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on Untappd, Twitter, Facebook, all the social media stuff. The links for those will be all down below. Check out some of the other videos I did for this series. They'll probably be over that way. Let me know if you liked this change of scenery or not. If there's any other suggestions you'd like me to do in these videos, hit me in the comments below. See you guys later.